if you can only do one thing in the battle for anti-aging, this is it. This is the most effective way to keep your skin supple and plump. I'm 53 years old and I feel like I am in the battle, and I'm heavily in the battle, and I still feel like I have a glow and suppleness to my skin that is much younger than a 53-year-old. And I'm going to tell you how I do it. It's the number one tool. Anything you do after this doesn't really matter. This is the most important one, and it is collagen. I'm going to give you 3 ways to get collagen that are super effective, that really help your skin plump up. Because what's really happening is you have your skin is buckling, and it's starting to basically show its wear and tear through wrinkles and fading and all of that. So what you want to do is you need to re-support your skin, and you're trying to get your body to produce it naturally, like it was when it was 20 and 30. So I'm going to give you 3 ways that I use in order to make sure that I have a steady supply of collagen inside, working from the inside out. And then outside, I have a whole bunch of tips that we talk about on our channel. But the number one, you are not fighting the anti-aging battle if you are not doing this. So if you are not doing the collagen, then you are not even fighting. So just, prepare to get all of those tips and prepare to do all of that. They won't even matter, because what you really need is you need really good skin, and you really need to do it from the inside out. So let me give you 3 ways. Number 1, Oregano plant. Super soluble, 2 tablespoons a day. I put it in my water. I put it in my lemon water. I put it in my coffee during the day. It's amazing. No calories, plant-based, super soluble. Your body knows exactly what to do with it because it's plant-based. It's excellent. There's that one. This one has a ton of protein and calories along with it. So 2 scoops does come with 70 calories. It comes with a bunch of protein. So if you're looking for that, put it in your smoothies, put it in your coffee. It is a little bit more gelatinous, so you will feel it and taste it a little bit in some textures. So just know that going into it, but it's tasteless. So as long as you can get by the texture of it, when you mix it into something, then it's totally fine. So this is a fantastic source of protein and collagen. And then finally, when you're actually traveling, I actually take collagen pills with me just to make sure that I don't miss out on the collagen if I'm traveling. So those are the 3 ways. I have a link in my bio. Again, if you're not doing one of these things or all of these things, you're not even fighting the anti-aging battle. You're just basically messing around with the symptoms of it, which is makeup, appearance, texture, all of that stuff. So get in the game, fight it from the inside out. This is the one thing that matters. If you have to do one thing, this is it. All right? So, number 1 anti-aging tip of all time from me. We'll see you later.